moaning. We're back in the space, a mindfulness podcast for everyone. Last night we talked about falling asleep faster. Today, we're talking about alarm anxiety. As the name suggests, alarm anxiety is all to do with the timekeeper you use to shock you from slumber. We trust it with our schedules, with our careers, with our commitments. We're also terrified of it not waking us up. This leads to alarm anxiety. Alarm anxiety is caused by our distrust of the clock. Also, the stress of not getting enough sleep before the morning. There's also the association we make between our alarm sound and panic. If you've been using the same alarm tones for years, you'll associate that sound with anxiety and urgency. You've probably had alarm anxiety the night before an early flight. I know I have. For some people, that fear happens on the nightly. So, what can we do about it? Tip 1. Change up your alarm sounds. Once a month, switch it to a new alert or a song. That will stop your mind linking one sound to a shock or a sense of panic. Tip 2. Don't leap out of bed. Before you get up, take a moment to calm your nervous system. It's as simple as taking some long, soothing breaths. Practice taking some of those breaths right now. Stop and think of 3 things you're grateful for. Tip 3. Don't carry that shock into your day. Whether you're woken up by an alarm clock or a baby crying, see it for what it is, a shock. There's nothing else to fear. You're not about to be eaten by a bear. If you feel a sense of anxiety, talk yourself down. I've woken up with a shock. I'm safe. I'm not in any real danger. Finally, don't fear alarm clock failure. It's going to happen at least once in your life. You'll survive it. A failed alarm clock won't kill you. Our advice? Don't be tempted to double up on alarms. One alarm shocking you awake is annoying enough, let alone 35. Space out.